Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for LinkedIn. After that, open the official website from the search results, and you will be prompted to sign in. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page. Here, navigate to the Business tab, and then click on Admin Center. Inside it, click on the notification that says, "Please update your payment method." After that, select Purchases from the left side menu, and then click on Sales Navigator Core. Once done, click on Cancel Subscription, and a new page will load up. Here, confirm by clicking Continue to Cancel to finalize the cancellation. So that's basically how you can cancel LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.